The top viewer toolbar in LightStanza includes some different snap settings that are meant to assist when using the drawing tools. You can quickly toggle all snapping on or off using the checkbox at the top, or by using the F9 hotkey. And then there's some different types of snapping you can do. You can snap to the alignment grid. That's just a 10 by 10 grid behind the ceiling plan. You can also optionally adjust the size of the alignment grid. So if you want to do 5 feet, you can make that adjustment using the speed square toggle. You can snap to objects, vertices or midpoints. And you can also adjust the snapping increments. If you want to move by larger distances, you could update that. You can switch between Ortho Mode or Standard Mode, either by checking the box or using the F8 hotkey. And there are also some snapping visuals. So when this option's enabled and I start drawing, you'll get a little text label showing which element is actually getting picked up for snapping purposes. And then there are some newer options towards the bottom of this drop-down list. So you can adjust the entire workspace rotation. So if you get something that's not really aligned with Project North, you can enter any angle into this field and it'll rotate the entire view. You can also adjust the rotation snap increment. So notice if I select a lighting fixture, I get 15-degree rotations. You can just temporarily disable that by holding down the Shift key. And then you can also enter any angle you like underneath the snap menu.